Okay, example number 4 says solve ax minus a squared equals bx minus b squared for x. That means we want to have an answer at the end that says x equals something. Okay? Now, whenever I'm solving for a variable, I have to make sure that I get all occurrences of that variable together. What I mean by that is I've got an x over here and an x over here, and that's not good. I want to get those two things together by themselves on one side. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract bx from both sides. And that's going to give me ax minus bx minus a squared is equal to negative b squared. Right? This just cancel. Okay. But remember, I want to get that x by itself. Okay? So now I'm going to add a squared to both sides because I want to get the terms with x just by themselves. So now I've got ax minus bx is equal to, these two just cancel, and I'm left with a squared minus b squared. Oh, angels should be singing. You should see what this is. All right, I see what it is, but hang on. Hang on. What we now need to do is to factor. Okay, we've got the x's together, and I see that both of these terms have an x, so I'm going to pull an x out, right? What can I take out? I can take out an x, and it leaves me a minus b inside is equal to, well, you guys see what this is. Can I take anything out? No, there's nothing that they have in common. How many terms are there? 2. Let me think. What could I do when I have 2 terms? It's possible they could be the difference of 2 squares. Good. So I need to factor that, and I'm going to get a minus b times a plus b. Beautiful. Now, remember, if I'm solving for x, I want to get it by itself. And right now it's being multiplied by a minus b. So I need to I need to divide by a minus b on both sides. Keep those quantities wrapped up in those parentheses. Okay? Now, boom, Mr. C, I can just cancel. I'm ready to go. X equals a plus b. No, can't do that yet. All right? Remember, these rules still apply. Okay? Before I cancel, I have to say, what can a minus b not equal? It cannot equal 0. All right, so if I add b to both sides, that means that a cannot equal b. So that's my restriction. So down here, for my answer, I'm going to have that a cannot equal b, because if it does, this whole thing's undefined. Okay? Now I can cancel, and I'm left with x equals, boom, boom, a plus b. That's my answer. And a cannot equal b. All right? Excellent job, folks. You're ready. I mean, that's it. Remember, solving for a variable doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to give us a number. It's going to tell us what that variable equals. That variable here is equal to a plus b. Okay? All right. Great job, guys. You're ready for your homework, all right? And I will see you in class.